Hi, today I'm going to read the book, Is It a Bee or Is It a Wasp? This book was written by Gail Turp. Chapter 1. What is it? You are on a hike in the woods. You're surrounded by tall trees with bright green leaves. All around you, insects are at work. You grab a peach from your backpack and take a juicy bite. Soon, a bee lands on your peach. Wait, it could be a wasp. You swat that shiny insect away. Uh-oh, the bug is no longer interested in your peach. It is flying straight at you. You better drop that peach and run. A lot in common. Bees and wasps have a lot in common. They're both winged insects and they often have yellow stripes. Bees and wasps live all around the world and they both dislike being swatted. Who doesn't? At first, it can be hard to tell them apart, but bees and wasps do have their differences. Read on to learn about them. There's the bee and there's the wasp. Chapter 2, all about bees and wasps. Bees and wasps have many different traits. For example, their bodies are different. Bees have round, hairy bodies. They use their hair to collect pollen from flowers. And wasp bodies are slim and smooth. Their bodies aren't nearly as hairy. They're usually a bit shiny too. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower. This pollination helps the plants make seeds. Look at those legs. If you happen to get close to a bee or wasp, check out the legs. Don't get too close though. They like their personal space. Bee legs are hairy, like their bodies. Their leg hair also collects and carries pollen. Wasp legs are long, thin, and mostly hairless. On the attack. Wasps are way more aggressive than bees. An angry wasp is much more likely to chase you down. Then things can get terribly unpleasant. A wasp can sting you over and over. A honeybee can only sting you once. After stinging, it dies. Other types of bees can sting more than once, but they aren't likely to. Finding food. These insects also eat different things. Bees are usually the ones you see buzzing around flowers. They like the pollen and nectar. Wasps, on the other hand, feast on juicy insects. They like sweet drinks and fruit too. Wasps eat many kinds of insects. Some even lay their eggs in insects. Ooh. The eggs hatch and the larvae eat the insect's guts. Ooh, kind of gross.